And here we are doing a Sett carpet cleaning. And for those of you that don't know, Sett is soil extraction transfer technology. It is a low moisture methodology. The carpet dries, in most cases, in about an hour. So it's a very unique form of carpet cleaning. It's pretty unknown in the Tallahassee area. And of course, we're the ones that brought it to Tallahassee, essentially. Sett is a great tool to have in your arsenal when you're a carpet cleaner because you're able to really deep clean the carpets and have them dry in an hour. And we have a bunch of different processes that we can do depending on the job, depending on what's going on in your carpet. For this particular job, we're starting out with the CRB. And the CRB stands for counter rotating brush. This is a CRB machine, and the purpose of this machine is to agitate the pre-spray into the carpet. Let that pre-spray dwell inside the carpet and emulsify the soil that's in the carpet. Now, we did do a pre-vacuuming, and that's a very important step. And we like to call it dry soil extraction. Actually, dry insoluble soil extraction. And that removes all the dry insoluble soil that's in your carpet. Now, when we say we remove it, obviously there's no way to remove all the dry particulate soil that's in your carpet, the dander that's in your carpet, but we remove about 75% of it. So it's very important. A lot of carpet cleaners that use a hot water extraction method likely don't pre-vacuum, and pre-vacuuming is paramount to carpet cleaning because that's probably the most important thing you can do to actually clean your carpet is to vacuum. And you could do that at home and maintain your carpet and get all the abrasives and all the dander out of your carpet to maintain your carpet and to increase the livelihood of your carpet, to increase how long your carpet is going to be durable for. And that's a big deal because carpet's expensive to put in and it's expensive to take out. So what we're doing here is we're agitating the pre-spray and we're going to let it dwell. As we're doing this, the pre-spray is also dwelling in the carpet fibers. So it's a very important step to do. Not always do we have to do that, but with this case we did because what appeared to be in the carpet was soot. And originally I thought they were just basic kind of stains, spots, but it appeared to be soot. So with the soot process, we have to increase our steps a little bit because we need to remove that soot out of the carpet. And I figured that maybe we wouldn't be able to remove it with just the bonnet extraction portion of the Sett method. So we used a Stoddard solvent to remove some of that soot. And in full disclosure, this carpet was likely going to be pulled out by the new homeowner because this carpet was in the home when the customer bought this house. So this carpet is approximately 16 years old. It's about time for new carpet. Likely when somebody buys a home, they change the flooring, change the carpet in the house. But this cleaning is essentially to show the house for a realtor. And, we do a lot of different steps for our carpet cleaning. So the first step is a pre-vacuum. Then the second step is to pre-spray. then to agitate, and then to pre-treat any spots that might be in the carpet or stains. And then we do the bonnet extraction or the cleaning process. And then we're going to post-vacuum. So right here, we're removing the water-soluble soil. And other methods, they remove the water-soluble soil through a water vacuum system. But I don't think it's as successful for removing stains and spots. The agitation, the safe friction on the carpet fibers is what really removes the stains and spots. And you're able to get around the same amount of extraction of the water-soluble soil than with the water vacuuming system. And I know people will say that's not true, but I've done these jobs so many times, and you're going to see that we're very prolific in these jobs. We do a lot of jobs, and this channel is going to have a lot of different content to promote Sett, this service in Tallahassee, because I do think it is a great service to have. And with the humidity in Tallahassee and the dry times, you want to have the carpets dry as soon as possible. And with this method, we're able to use a low moisture approach and a low pH approach. So a lot of times you need to use a high alkalinity product to get out these stains. Now, with the technology that we have today, we're able to have pre-sprays with a neutral pH that can remove a lot of these spots and stains and clean your carpet and remove all the water-soluble soil that's in your carpet. Now, we can't remove all of it, but we can remove enough of it to improve the appearance and the health of your carpet. No method can remove all of the water-soluble soil. It's impossible. So not only that, another good thing that's a complete positive about having a low pH, neutral pH product is the residue. We are leaving very, very low amounts of residue. And when you have a high pH product, that means you're leaving in a lot of residue in your carpet. And what happens is that the residue, the high alkalinity in the carpet, attracts soil, and it attracts more soil. And then before you know it, your carpets are filthy, or they're crunchy, or they're sticky, and your carpets are dirty within days. Spots reappear. So to counteract that, we use a neutral product, meaning we don't have to rinse the carpet when we're done, because with the hot water extraction method, many pre-sprays are of high alkalinity. A lot of splash and dash companies have to use that extra pH, those heavy solvents to get out the stains, and they got to leave. However, it's not only dangerous, but it's bad for your carpet's health, and it resoils quickly. So that's what we're trying to do, is to counteract that with the low to neutral pH products that we use. So that's a huge benefit for the client, huge benefit for us, because we don't get callbacks. And this method is a anti-wicking method, meaning that those stains aren't coming back anytime soon. Those spots aren't going to reappear. Your carpets are going to be clean for a long time, as long as you don't spill something bad on your carpet. And we have products that have anti-soiling redeposition agents that repels a lot of the soil that can accumulate in your carpet. So that's huge too, because a lot of companies, they don't even use a pre-spray. They charge extra for a pre-spray. We don't. We have a protector included. People charge extra for it. We don't. Deodorizer, people charge extra for it. We don't. Sanitizer, disinfectant, although we don't claim those. Nobody can. We do have a sanitizer and disinfectant in our pre-spray. So what this machine is doing is orbiting at 1,725 orbits per minute, and it is extracting the soil from the carpet. This is a very absorbent bonnet, and the bonnet is underneath that pad driver. It's essentially a cloth that attracts soil, and the soil gets extracted into that bonnet through the agitation process, through the safe friction process. And what this is doing, not only is it cleaning the carpet safely, it is also grooming your carpet. So it's rejuvenating the carpet fibers, which cannot be done with any other method. It cannot be done with hot water extraction. Hot water extraction mashes the fibers down. It doesn't rejuvenate the fibers. Now, they can afterwards groom the carpet with a carpet rake, a Grandy groom, but technicians aren't going to have time to do that. It's not in their pricing. You have to understand that these companies run a business and they have a business model that they have to adhere to, and that's just not going to be very profitable for them to do that. So in my pricing, we include that, and it's a great way to rejuvenate your carpet fibers and to have quicker dry times, and that's huge. And here's right after the post vacuum. So we post vacuum and removed even more of that insoluble soil that might have been left in the carpet during the cleaning process. We remove even more of that. So the carpets look great. You got a deep cleaning, and this is the most hypoallergenic form of cleaning, the safest form of cleaning, and the environmentally safe form of cleaning. And the carpets look great. The customer's happy, and this is a win-win for the customer and us.